By now, you most certainly know what's going on with GameStop stock. I'm going to read a post that basically sums up what's going on in the financial markets. Many people may not truly understand what happened Thursday morning. We were on the brink of a Bear Stearns moment. Basically, these funds were so leveraged that many of them were blowing up, and it threatened to take down the entire market. If the free market had remained free, this would have caused a massive systematic crash due to forced deleveraging of hedge funds. Many people don't quite understand the game that goes on between these big funds and the market. These big hedge funds are leveraged up. So say Melvin Capital has $12 billion in assets under management. They are likely leveraged up to 5 to 10 times, meaning they actually own stock positions worth 60 to 120 billion. If enough hedge funds fail at once, the whole system collapses because they are forced to sell longs and deleverage. This is what happened in 2008, and these guys saw it happening again. The entire market was at systematic risk. They had no out, so they changed the game. The clearing firms and depository trust company suddenly changed the entire margin requirements for every meme stock. When you buy a stock normally, your broker has to give a clearing firm 2% of the stock price as collateral. A buyer and seller are then matched and the trade is sent to a firm like DFT, who then records you as the new owner of that share of stock. Well, guess what? They changed the requirement to 100%. This forced many brokers to not allow buys on the stock. This is the true culprit behind what's happening. The Citadel was at risk of collapsing, which means big banks like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs were taking heavy losses. This would cause a massive market pullback, probably between 15 and 20%. The manipulation that existed on Thursday and Friday could be considered a coordinated attack on retail investors. These funds are on the brink of collapse, so they cut off access to over 95% of the people from buying. They then force sales or hit stop losses on every single open position. So there you have it from a user on Reddit who's worked in the industry for over a decade. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please consider giving the channel a subscribe.